And I think you may have touched on this on your one of your videos, or it was something else that I watched where, there's churches that try to send you off to places to convert you, right?
Yep. Conversion therapy. Yeah.
Oh, I can't imagine how hard that's got to be.
Yeah. And I have, um, I've known people who went through that. I
Hmm.
was working with teenagers at a time. I had this wild story where a kid, a gay kid at a Baptist church, um, they didn't have a youth pastor. He put a note underneath a plant that got moved to be cleaning, saying, "I think I might be gay, and I need to talk to somebody," and put his cell phone number on there. And for whatever reason, um, I'm gonna go with God, the Holy Spirit, the universe, whatever. Um, they, whoever found that, whoever they gave it to, said, "Well, we don't have a youth pastor. Let's call this large Methodist church," and eventually got to me. And so I met with that kid, and we began, talking about who he was and
Hmm.
just being a mentor, trying to get him with a therapist. And as that was happening, they got a youth pastor at the Baptist church that then he felt like, well, now that I have a youth pastor, I should submit to this youth pastor's authority and to be talking to him instead of you.
Oh
So the way
no.
it goes, he goes to that person. Years later, I see that Baptist youth pastor, and he said, should call this kid, who is now a young adult." And so I did, and we met for coffee. He was getting ready to marry this wonderful guy that he had fallen in love with, but he told me that he was sent to conversion therapy twice, and the statistics are clear. The only correlation in conversion therapy is the people attempting suicide, and he
I
did
was
it
just gonna
twice.
say,
Yeah.
oh my God. I was gonna say, I bet that, yeah. Oh my God. Well, thank God he didn't.
Well, he tried, but he failed. Yeah, tried twice, and and this is
Mm.
my look, Lisa. I There are so many beliefs that people can have that
Hmm.
don't kill children, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
The Trevor Project has this research out when when kids come out, there's a 15% chance that they're going to try to commit suicide. When they come out and are rejected by religious parents on religious grounds, that doubles, it's 30%. And
Oh my gosh.
so like it's literally, so this belief is literally killing children. Like I just don't understand how, if that is the result of your belief, you just don't tell other people that you believe that at the very, but or just like don't believe it. Choose a different belief, because you could choose all these other weird ass beliefs, right?
Hmm.
That don't make kids try to kill themselves. So
Yeah.
choose those weird beliefs, right?
Right. Right. Yeah.
And that's where the toxic masculinity, where the rubber meets the road,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Because it's not just unhealthy and traumatizing, and it doesn't just cause create norms that excuse predatory behavior. It actually causes kids to try to kill themselves.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
just, yeah.
And in a best case scenario, they're living in deep depression and
Right. Yeah.
anxiety. They're getting through life every day and suffering every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't end up ending their lives, but they end up being miserable.
Oh
And
yeah.
oh my God, I can't even imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one threw me off. I'm
Sorry.
sure that
Yeah.
no, 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 this is good. I want to talk about this stuff. This stuff needs to get out there.